Hey guys, welcome back. In this video, I will show you how to block YouTube channel. Make sure to watch the video to the end, make any mistake, and don't forget to like and subscribe to my channel. First of all, in order for you to block a YouTube channel, all you have to do now, go to YouTube. So after you open YouTube app, all you have to do now, your interface should be like this. As you can see now, you see different videos as you can see now on your YouTube interface. So in order for you to block a channel, this step are so simple to follow. Just go and select the channel that you want to block. So let's say for me, I want to block this channel. So in order for you to block the channel, all you have to do now, tap on this three dot beside the channel. As you can see now, this little three dot, this little dot beside the channel name. As you can see now, here is the channel. So this three dot, tap on it. So after you tap on this three dot, all you have to do now, scroll all the way to down and tap on this section which says not interested. So by typing on this not interested, now you are giving an information to YouTube that you don't want YouTube to keep sending you a content from that channel. So now everywhere on YouTube, now on your YouTube account, now YouTube should stop just sending you such information from your from your YouTube interface. So whenever you open your YouTube app, you can't see any content related to what you block now on your YouTube app. So in order for you just to block another channel, all you have to do now, there is another way to block a channel. So another way to block a channel, all you have to do now, go and open the channel. Let's say for me, I want to block this channel. Let's say this channel, I want to block it. So tap on the channel name. As you can see here, this is. So after you open the channel, as you can see now, the channel should appear for you like this. So now all you have to do now, scroll all the way to left like this. As you can see now, all you have to do now, swipe to left like this. As you can see now, so after you come to this section, as you can see now, in this section, at all, YouTube doesn't give you another buttons to stop the channel again. So the only option for you to block a channel on YouTube is just by tapping on this three dot beside the channel and tapping on this not interested. So by tapping on this not interested, and like if you say not interested now the YouTube will recognize that, oh, this video is just wrong video for this person, so they should stop just funding such video for you. That's it guys on how to block any channel on YouTube without just wasting your time. For now, YouTube doesn't give you a specific button or a specific just option to block a channel. That's the only option you can do, just to tap on this and tap on this not interested. So now you are giving information that you don't want this YouTube channel on your YouTube, or you can tap on this don't recommend channel. So by tapping on this don't recommend channel, still YouTube will still stop recommending this YouTube channel from you. So not interested and don't recommend channel, these are the two things you can do just to stop or just to block a channel on YouTube. That's it guys on how to block a channel on YouTube. So you can use it just by typing on this three dot and typing on this not interested or don't recommend channel. That's it guys. If this video helps you out, please don't forget to like and subscribe, and if you have any question, please let me know in the comment section below. Thank you for watching guys. We'll meet in the next video.